If you are a Moimoi lover like me and you don't like making it because of the stress involved, get in here and let me show you the most easiest and the fastest way you can make your Moimoi without having to stress out. So let's get right into it. So we are going to be needing fish, egg, seasoning cube, some salt, vegetable oil, red pepper, habanero pepper, some onions, and the star of the day, which is our beans. So the first thing I'm going to be doing here is going to be boiling the fish we are going to be using to make our moimoi. So I added a little water, add some salt and some seasoning cube while I go ahead and boil some eggs at the other side of the cooker. Then went ahead to peel my beans with my multifunctional food processor. This processor has been life-saving since I got it. With this food processor, you don't have to sweat it out whenever you want to peel your beans. It is so easy to peel. Just add some water into the food processor, go in with your beans, use the play and pause function. In less than 2 minutes, you see that the shaft will be separated from the beans. Then gently pour it into a big bowl, add some water, then begin to rub gently with your hands. No peeling, no wastage, and no spilling around. So you see how clean the water is. Just gently rub it out. Within 10 minutes, you see that your beans will be nice and clean. Now we have our clean beans. You see how clean it is? No dirt at all. So we'll continue with the process by adding the beans into our heavy duty blender. Then go in with our pepper mix, the onions and the habanero pepper. Then add some water and blend until it is smooth. While that is done, then we'll proceed to peel off the shell out of our eggs, because we are going to be needing the eggs in the moment that we are going to be making. So we'll take out the shells, then we'll cut into our desired size that we want. Then we move to the next process, which is pouring our nicely blended moimoi into a big bowl. Then with the help of a spatula, begin to mix gently until it is nice and fluffy. Then go ahead to add all the ingredients that you want. But as for me, I'm going to be adding some salt, some seasoning powder, some crayfish. Then I'm going to be adding little vegetable oil. Feel free to do whatever you want to use, whatever you want to use. Some people may use palm oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, whatever that you have available to you. And feel free to work around your spices, any spice of your choice. So I added some vegetable oil. Then I cracked 2 eggs inside. So that egg is also going to make it more fluffy. So then I use the spatula to mix it together very well until it is smooth. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, tell me what you are still waiting for. Check at the top right bottom of your screen you see the subscribe button there. Hit it and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. That we have added all our ingredients. The next thing is to start portioning into our bowl. You can decide to use ramekins, you can decide to use my pouch, you can decide to use glass bowl, anything that is available to you. But as for me, I'm going to be using aluminium foil. So I begin to portion into my bowl. Then I added some eggs and the fish that we boiled earlier on. So I added everything together. While I'm doing this, I already have my water on the stove. It is already boiling. After I was done portioning my Moimoi batter into my aluminium foil, I had already deboned my fish and sliced my egg into two equal halves. So I added each of the halves into the aluminium foil. Then I divided the fish into four equal parts. So I covered up with the aluminium foil cover that came with it. Then I went ahead to arrange them into my steaming pot. Now that we are done with portioning our moimoi into the aluminium foil, the next thing is to gently arrange them into our cooking pot. I lined my cooking pot with an aluminium foil because all I need is just a steam to keep the moimoi, to make it cook very fast. So I arranged everything together, then covered with another aluminium foil because I need to lock in this steam so that it will cook very well. So I covered it and allowed to cook for at least 35 minutes on a low medium heat. Here our momo is nicely cooked and ready to be devoured. Just take a look at the outcome of our momo. The shape, the aroma, the taste, everything is heavenly. And I tell you this, in less than 2 hours, we were able to make this momo because this process is so easy and fast, especially with the help of the food processor, which made the peeling of the beans so easy. So will you be trying this out? So if you are going to be trying this out, let me know in the comment section. Kindly share your outcome with us and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye.